Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about one of the most important protocols on the internet, BGP, also known as Border Gateway Protocol. We'll cover what BGP is, why it exists, and why it's absolutely critical for how the internet works. No lab setup in this video, just the theory you need to understand before we start building BGP in the next one. BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol. It's the routing protocol of the internet, the system that decides how data travels between different networks across the world. Unlike protocols like OSPF or RIP that work inside a company network, BGP connects different organizations, internet providers, and large enterprises. It runs over TCP port 179, making it reliable and connection-based. There are two main types of BGP, eBGP, between different networks, like your ISP and Google. iBGP, inside the same network, for example, between routers owned by one ISP. Why do we need BGP? The internet is made up of thousands of separate networks called autonomous systems, or as for short. Each must tell others which IP addresses it owns and how to reach them. That's what BGP does, it shares this information globally. BGP provides four main benefits. Scalability equals it can handle millions of routes. Policy control equals network owners can choose how traffic enters and exits their network. Redundancy equals if one connection goes down, BGP can reroute traffic automatically. Stability equals it prevents routing loops and keeps the internet steady. Key concepts. Let's simplify a few key ideas. Autonomous system, AS, think of it as a city, a group of networks controlled by one organization. AS number, ASN, the unique ID or license plate for that city. Prefix advertisement, when a network tells others, hey, these are my IP addresses. Attributes, BGP uses attributes like AS path, local preference, and MED to decide the best route. Peering versus transit, peering means two networks agree to exchange traffic for free. Transit means you pay another network to carry your traffic to the rest of the internet. Here's an easy way to think about it. OSPF is like finding the shortest road inside your own town. BGP is like choosing which highway to take to another city. Sometimes the shortest road isn't the best, maybe there's a toll, bad traffic, or an agreement that says you can't use that route. BGP picks the best highway using policies and business agreements between networks. Why BGP matters? BGP is the reason the internet stays connected every second of every day. Internet providers use BGP to connect to multiple upstream providers. Companies use BGP for redundancy, so if one ISP goes down, another can take over. Big platforms like Google, Netflix, and Facebook use BGP to deliver content worldwide efficiently. In short, BGP is what holds the global internet together. So in summary, BGP is the backbone of the internet. It provides scalability, control, redundancy, and stability for routing between different networks. In the next video, we'll get hands-on and set up BGP in a real Mikrotik lab. Thanks for watching.